ATD Tools, Dual Temperature Heat Gun Kit is great for stripping paint, removing decals and stripes, shrinking wire wrap, and more. This set comes with a dual temperature heat gun, reduction, reflector, large deflector, and small deflector nozzles, along with a molded plastic storage case. The heat gun has two heat settings, 700 degrees on low, and 925 degrees on high. It has a 3-position rocker switch, high, off, and low. It is also UL and CUL listed. For more information on this product, or to see the full line of ATD products, please visit atdtools.com.